We added a column earlier. Now we're going to add a row. Let's go to the bill row. So I'm going to the bill section. So we're here. I will click, maybe I'll click on the 5, bill 5 row, so 24. Now you can right click and click add row, or you can come up to here, insert sheet row. So we're going to insert a row, and let's add a bill for $40. Now, of course, that means I should refix this because we'll say I forgot to put in a bill. I forgot to put in Hulu. I don't remember if the Hulu package is $40 or not, but we'll just say it is. Okay, so now we have added that. If I look down though at the bottom, now my balance is -40. If I'm going to add money in a budget somewhere, I should take it out somewhere else. Well, Hulu's sort of family fun, so I'm going to come up to family fun and decrease that to 160. So now it's a zero balance budget. Okay, so we've got that bill added. Now, suppose that you are looking at your bank account and you notice that you're somehow off by $40. So you would like to find all the $40 charges or numbers on this sheet. We can use our find and select that way in the editing section. We can find and select. Let's find. We want to find 40. So I'll type 40. I'll say find all. And it lists them out for me, but in particular, it will start highlighting them. So let's see. So we have, there's the first one. It's a little hard to see. Let me go to it's actually highlighting this cell B14, but if you couldn't see it, let me click Find Next, and then it highlights D14. Then Find Next, and it highlights B18. But let me go back to the first one. I'm just going to do Next. I'll go through them all until I'm back to the first one. I'll just even click on that to make it easier. Now there's no 40 there, or is there? Notice that when I click on that cell up here in the command bar, each month we were budgeting $140 for 4 months, so the grocery budget is $560. So there's a 40 in the background there, but that's not the type of 40 that I'm talking about. Let me do Find Next. Neither is that one. I'm actually looking for a $40 fee, like this in B18. So I'm going to highlight that red font. Now let me find again. There's another 40. Highlight that red. Find the next one. I'll highlight that red in B24. And then if I click Find Next, we are back to the $560. So there are 3 budget items of $40, and so I would start investigating those in order to find my error. Now, that was find, but you'll also see there's a replace, which is very nice. So, like if I wanted to replace, I wouldn't want to do this, but let's just say I didn't like the word savings. I want it to say SAV instead. Well, you could do that and replace all, and then it will tell you that 12 times it made those replacements. Now I'm going to undo that. Instead, Control Z. Let me get out of here. Oh, I was hitting Control X by mistake. I made a mistake. So let me just, okay. We're back to the savings. What I want to do is say I had account numbers 2-00, 2-60. What if that was a mistake? What if it's not my second account? What if it's my first account? So I'm going to replace all of the 2 dashes with 1 dashes. So look right here, those 5 cells, or there's 6 cells actually, should replace. I want to replace all. And so it made those replacements. And so the find is helpful to find information. The find and replace is very helpful if you want to make replacements of one item everywhere throughout the document. Let me see. I did notice that there's a little bit of, see how I didn't expect all of those to be bolded? They're all bolded somehow. So I'm going to highlight C, and I'm going to fix my formatting. I wanted those just regular bold. Whoops, there we go. Just wanted them regular. Now some of the formatting is off, like I'm going to highlight that. I wanted that to be a thick border. I wanted this one to be a thick border. When you insert rows and columns, sometimes you have to pretty things up again. Okay, so that is what I will do. All right, let's compare to the end. One thing that we didn't do is this date. So let's go ahead and do the date. And I think actually I'll do the date in the next video.